Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to record the slow motion video at 480 FPS on your XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone. At first you need to have your camera application opened, and here tap more. Open your slow motion. And now here the first thing is quality. We do have 1080p or 720p. And if you tap on this thing that is right on it, the red of it, here we do have 120, 240 and 480. Here we have the title thing. Apart from that, here we have even higher 960 and 1920. That's how it works. Goodbye.